Changing the theme in PyCharm is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to customize your PyCharm theme. Open PyCharm, launch PyCharm and ensure you're on the main interface. Access the settings or preferences. Windows or Linux, go to File, Settings. macOS, go to PyCharm, Preferences. Navigate to Appearance and Behavior. In the Settings and Preferences window, locate and click on Appearance and Behavior from the left side menu. Then click on Appearance under this section. Change the theme. In the Appearance settings, you will find an option called UI Options with a drop-down for selecting themes. The default theme options include Light, a bright theme with a white background. Dark, a darker theme that reduces eye strain, especially in low light conditions. High Contrast, a theme designed for improved readability. Select your preferred theme from the drop-down list. Apply changes. After selecting the theme, click Apply and then OK to confirm and close the settings. Customize further. You can also adjust font sizes, icons, and other visual elements to suit your preferences.